the international community has a dire need for multilateral initiatives and has good governance in terms of the global governance at the global scale. China is very keen to act together with other shareholders, not only countries but also international organizations, multinational companies, international non-governmental organizations and others. The Chinese position is clear here. A good global governance is necessary with the inclusion of all shareholders from the global north, global south, developed and developing countries. China is the great contributor to further development for the developing countries in the global south, and also providing extra financial resources for other developing countries to boost their growth rates and also complete their developmental projects.